DS diving service here at the Air BNB. Just wanted to point out on the Dr. Lake facing side of this vessel, we have a pretty good loss of bottom paint already. Look at that pink color versus that bright red color, and right under the water line. There's a lot of areas where that paint is awfully thin. Typically, we would just wipe the heavy stuff off and make a very light pad so that we could get 2 years out of this paint job. But if she's got to look clean, we have to scrub her to get her clean. And, this side of the vessel also receives more sunlight than any other side of the vessel. So clearly we've had to clean this side a little bit more in order to have you satisfied with the cleaning. I'm going to keep going. You can see she's pretty clean. I could remove these little lines, but if I do, you're going to lose even more paint. So, alright, let me keep going. Get all around, and then I'm going to swim the whole time around this, and I'll be back in 12 days to look at the same thing. If it's the same, then we can certainly go to a 15-day schedule. Otherwise, I can't come out every 15 days when it doesn't look great.